You can build a sustainable economy right from your own kitchen. It begins with basic bulk ingredients that eventually connect back to the land, specifically the farms and regenerative communities that produce them. We are going to take raw materials that cost about 20 shekels per kilogram and process them into retail-ready products worth up to 250 shekels per kilogram. As you cycle through this production process, you generate personal financial independence while simultaneously producing enough surplus to directly feed the hungry in your neighborhood. Participating in this cycle allows you to trade in a parallel system, one where the value of your labor is rooted in real food production, rather than being solely dependent on the volatility of external market shifts. This is the ingredient scraper dashboard. Before mixing, we use this digital portal to secure baseline costs and lock in profit margins. The system automatically scans local markets and suppliers to present the top 3 best-priced options available to you right now. We are looking for 4 specific wholesome ingredients: whole oat flour, pure date syrup, and either peanut butter or tahini. The critical threshold here is keeping the total combined cost of these raw materials right around 20 shekels per kilogram. By utilizing the AI scraper before every batch, you actively protect yourself from market inflation and ensure the mathematics of the profit model always work in your favor. Once your materials arrive, set up a basic clean prep area with large mixing bowls and a digital kitchen scale. You must weigh each ingredient precisely. Accurate measurements ensure your physical batch matches the AI's cost projections. Begin folding the wet ingredients into the dry. Notice we are using only pure, simple foods with absolutely no artificial additives or preservatives. Keep mixing until the compound reaches a cohesive, thick, dough-like texture. It needs to hold its shape completely before moving to the next phase. Next, press the mixture flat into a uniform block and cut it into evenly sized individual bars. Pay close attention to your measurements here. Inconsistent batching or uneven cuts degrade your product quality and break your intended profit margins. Maintaining strict precision with these simple ingredients guarantees the high nutritional value of the bars while securing your economic return. This diagram illustrates the core conversion. Watch how 1 full kilogram of raw mix, costing 20 shekels, is divided into its individual retail units. When sold individually, those packaged units collectively generate a total retail value of up to 250 shekels. To capture that value, each bar requires standard, clean packaging that protects the product and readies it for commercial distribution. Because this no-cook, cold-press process involves only 4 ingredients, the labor is highly efficient. One person can scale this to 500 kilograms per month. Achieving that half-ton volume means hitting a target of 125 kilograms per week, a manageable goal when the mixing and pressing is this streamlined. This model demonstrates that keeping the process simple and the batches cyclical allows you to achieve significant output without the overhead of an industrial factory. With your weekly batch complete and packaged, you register the physical inventory onto the BarNessQION network platform. This flowchart outlines our distribution strategy. Half of your production is routed directly to retail channels, like coffee carts, food trucks, or local vending machines. The remaining 50% is allocated charitably to directly feed the hungry within your local community. Distributing half the batch to those in need introduces the product to your local area far more effectively than traditional advertising. By consistently feeding a specific neighborhood, you establish a presence and build trust that naturally develops into a loyal retail base for your commercial units. True economic sustainability occurs when social responsibility serves as the active engine for your business growth. You have successfully sourced raw materials at low cost, processed them efficiently, and distributed the finished product ethically. You secure reliable personal financial returns while fulfilling a critical nutritional need for the people living around you. The next step is to choose your specific role in this ecosystem, whether you operate as a vendor, a supplier of bulk ingredients, or a community member producing bars. Access the portal below, run your first ingredient scrape, and begin participating in this alternative economy today.